guys, welcome to our vlog. So we are going to Mussoorie today after the lockdown. Lockdown के बाद कुछ 4-5 months के बाद हम बाहर निकले हैं on a road trip and we are going to Mussoorie. So we got up at around 5:30 a.m. today and it's almost 8 a.m. and we have reached the midway. We drove really fast because we are so excited to reach our destination. So now we've had a little break here and we'll continue with our road trip and reach Mussoorie now. So with the new rules, there are very less formalities to be done. You just need an e-pass that you can get made online and Arogya Setu app installed in your phone to travel to Uttarakhand. Before entering Mussoorie, we were stopped at a point to check our e-pass and we were given an entry slip against that pass. The journey was just beautiful. We were welcomed with gorgeous views and pleasant weather. It took us a total of 8 hours to reach Mussoorie. So we have finally reached Mussoorie. The weather here is quite pleasant. A great change from Delhi weather and environment. And even the ride here was quite comfortable. So now we've reached our hotel, Mosaic, and we are going to check in. So we have reached our hotel, which is Mosaic, and the views are just breathtaking. The overall environment, the weather, everything is just gorgeous. Though we asked for an early check-in here and we couldn't get it, so we are waiting at the reception for quite some time now and we're waiting for the rooms. But for now, the views are really amazing and worth it. I'm really excited to see how our rooms turn out to be. Mosaic is a beautiful property with such luxurious rooms and views. It's right in the middle of Mall Road. The service could have been better, but in their defense, they recently opened for the public after pandemic. So we are going to Landoor now and the roads are very narrow and I'm driving on a hill station for the very first time. So it took us a lot of time. We've already We have finally reached Landoor. It's 2 to 3 kilometers from Mussoorie, but it took us 1.5 hours to reach here, mainly because of the traffic and the narrow roads. Nevertheless, we have finally reached here. The weather is even better, the views are gorgeous and even better. And now we are going to try a few very popular restaurants and cafes here. So let's begin. So this is the Ivy Cafe. It is one of the most popular places in Mussoorie and Landoor. So we are going to try this. The place is really famous for its beautiful, gorgeous view and food. So we're going to try that today. Let's go. So this is Ivy Cafe. This breathtaking view and the very tasty pasta. The place is really famous for its pastas and pizzas. So I think you should definitely visit this place. If not for the food, definitely for this view. This place is usually crowded and there's a long waiting, but we suggest that you take outdoor sitting to have an unforgettable experience. Next on the list is Landoor Bakehouse. You can take a half-an-hour walk from the Ivy Cafe to reach here. And oh my god, their cakes are something so worth it. So Mussoorie is the first place that we have come to after pandemic and the experience, the overall place, it looks just so good. यहाँ पे पैंडमिक होने की वजह से आई एम अज्यूमिंग बहुत कम क्राउड रहा होगा पिछले कुछ मंथ्स में एंड आई कैन फील दैट फ्रेशनेस इन द एयर. इट्स सो ग्रीन, इट्स सो फ्रेश, द व्यूज आर सो ब्रेथ टेकिंग. I mean, I'm just enjoying every moment here, especially after pandemic, especially after staying at home for more than 4 months. Finally, when I'm getting to come out here, everything is so worth it. Later that day, it was time to visit the Mall Road, the very famous Mall Road of Mussoorie. A place that has everything from Mughlai food to Chinese food, from momos to Maggie, from shopping to entertainment. Everything. So this was our vlog on part 1 of what we did in Mussoorie. Check out our next video for part 2. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel Piyush Yamini Official. Our Instagram handle is Piyush Yamini Official. Do follow us there. Bye bye.